Hi everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to review your insurance or protection plans in Ireland. Open your app or get your policy files ready and follow along. Step 1. List all of your active insurance policies. This includes life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, or any other coverage. Look through your physical documents or email records to gather them. Step 2. Check the expiry or renewal dates. Mark them on your calendar to make sure you don't miss any upcoming renewals or automatic charges. You want to avoid any gaps in coverage. Step 3. Evaluate your current needs. Do you still need the same amount of coverage? Have your circumstances changed, like a new baby, less debt, or fewer responsibilities? Adjust accordingly. Step 4. Compare your current policy with other providers. Use trusted Irish comparison websites or consult a licensed broker to explore better deals. You might be overpaying without realizing it. Step 5. If needed, update or switch your policy. Ask your provider for better offers. Confirm you're getting enough protection without paying extra. Once reviewed, you can feel confident that your finances and your future are protected. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more weekly finance tutorials tailored for people living in Ireland.